Legacy! Come on back, boy! Legacy, come here, boy! Oh, jeez. He's all fired up. He hasn't quit running for 20 minutes. Happy to get his legs out and working. Up, there's the fence. Oh, good boy. You know that already, don't you? Yep. Stay back, Alex. Don't touch the fence. Yeah. Who is that? Is that the Caffey? Yeah. That's 50's calf from this past year. He's growing good. My makeshift holding pit for the manure. Ugh. Can't wait to get the real one built. Alright.